Welcome back to the channel. In today's SolidWorks tutorial, we are going to model this 3D S-shaped hook component from scratch. And this is exercise 17. You can see from our engineering drawing series. It looks simple, but it is an excellent exercise for mastering a sketch geometry, tangent arcs, and applying precise dimension to ensure your models are fully defined. We will go through the entire process step by step, from creating an initial 2D profile to extruding the final part. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tutorial. Let's open up SolidWorks and get started. So first we close this exercise and start from the scratch. First go to new, select part and then select OK. Go to sketch tab. First we need to take a plane, right, front plane. Go to sketch and take a line of 22.5 mm. Measure it 22.5. Then take two centers reference line, make it vertical, select this line and go to move entities, copy entities, select this first point, start point, and this is end point. Go to line and select this point and move back to the point and convert into a arc. Go to smart dimension, make it for 20 mm, make it for 25. Go to offset entities, parameters, select parameters and type 5 mm and select the entities, say it OK. Go to center line and close this profile to make circles at here. Go to circle and start from midpoint. Go to sketch, we need to draw. Go to circle and start from midpoint. Go to trim entities and trim all the extra part. Select OK. Go to smart dimension and take this dimension for 40 mm. OK. And take this dimension 50 mm. Say it OK. So our sketch is ready. We need to extrude it from midpoint. So go to features tab, take extrude box base and extrude it up to 15 mm. Say it OK. You can see here the design is ready. So go to appearance tab and select any color like green, red. Select OK. You can choose any color, other color, just like select face, go to appearance tab and choose any other color. Select OK. Choose this face, go to appearance, take any other color and choose here and select OK. So that's wraps up today's tutorial on exercise 17. By now, you should have a clean and fully defined 3D model of this S hook in your SolidWorks environment. If you ran into any issues with the dimension or arc tangents, drop a comment below and I will help you troubleshoot. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow engineering students or design enthusiasts. Don't forget to practice this model on your own, build your muscle memory. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next exercise. Thank you.